So guys, this week, The Division Resurgence just launched and tatry natin gumamit ng controller kung smooth ba yung experience. So the controller that we are using right now is the Gameser Supernova. And guys, ang maganda dito is multi-platform na siya. So mapa Android, PC, or even iOS, pwede. Kaya right now, we're gonna try to complete a task using this one. So guys, make sure na connected tayo sa Bluetooth kasi try mode na rin to. Pwedeng Bluetooth, wired, or even 2.4 GHz wireless.
Wow.
Okay? Talagang ramdam mo yung Hall effect. And ang maganda pa sa kanya guys, as you can see in the screen, meron tayong mga button markers dito. So hindi tayo malilito sa paggamit. Actually, hindi talaga ako controller boy, kaya medyo maninibago ako dito. So puntahan natin yan. Let's try to familiarize first. Okay, this is your scope. This is aiming. Okay. Ano to? This is your skill, and this is another skill. This one naman is grenade, okay. And ang maganda pa guys, if you want to map your buttons, meron tayong back buttons dito guys. Very useful. And very recommended ko guys na i-turn on natin yung fast travel when it comes to shoulder trigger natin. Especially if you're playing shooter genre. Okay, try mo natin mag-snipe. Honestly, may learning curve talaga. Lalo't hindi tayo controller boy. Pero surprisingly guys very responsive. So, ano na lang, kumbaga konting adjustment na lang kailangan natin. Konti! Uy, di tumama. Let's go! So guys, very recommended ko tong Supernova, lalo if you're gonna be playing mobile games on your Android or even in your tablet, katulad ng The Division Resurgence. And yeah, consider getting this one guys if naghanap kayo ng controller. So link ko na lang sa baba guys, alam nyo na, let's go!